Hey guys, this is jadirahsarmad. Welcome back to my channel. So if you want to see how to achieve these beachy, sultry waves, keep on watching. For the life of me, I haven't been able to find a hair waver in whole of Karachi, and I've been looking for a long time. So when I came across this one on BeautyBigBang, of course, I had to grab it. Now, this is also known as the triple barrel curling iron, and this particular one comes with an LCD screen, so you can turn it on, turn it off. You can see all of that on there, and you can turn up the temperature all the way to 210 and turn it down all the way to 180. It heats up very quickly. So this comes with a 360-degree rotatable swivel, which means you can turn the cord all the way around as you're curling, waving your hair without any problem. And it also has a stand at the bottom of it, so you can rest your iron as you are doing your hair. Now, I personally love more of a relaxed beachy wave look, so I just section my hair into two main sections, but obviously you can do more sectioning if you want more defined waves. And also, I just wanted it to be, really fast. So that's how I was working, and I also took like really huge chunks of hair, again because I did not want my waves to be super tight and super defined. I was so amazed by the first one right there. But yeah, I would say that this curling iron is quite heavy and daunting to use at first, and once you get the hang of it, it's really actually fun to do it. But you can always opt for other sizes. This curling iron comes in 4 different sizes, and I went for the 3C one, which is basically 28mm thick, but you can get smaller ones as well. So if you want your waves to be more defined, definitely go for smaller ones. Also take smaller sections and maybe even leave your hair in longer so that you get more waves which are like really defined. But yeah, I personally love a relaxed look on me. So here's the difference between the two sides. And oh guys, definitely do use a heat protectant on your hair prior to doing any of this. I did, but off camera. Just to add a little bit more texture to my hair, I'm using this Tony & Guy sea salt spray, and then I'll just scrunch my hair. Thumbs up if you saw me doing this on Instagram last weekend. And there you have it guys, relaxed beachy waves in just 5 minutes. You can obviously throw in a cute hairstyle, pin your hair up, braid it, do whatever your heart desires. You can also, tie a messy bun, half up, do half down, whatever you like, man. I mean, you can also even throw on a bandana, which you'll be seeing in the clips to come. I love this look because it adds a little bit of sassiness, a little bit of sexiness to my hair and to my look. All it took was 5 minutes, and here we are. So let me know what you guys think. Also be sure to check out the link in the description box if you want to get your hands on this hair waver, and you can also save 10% by using my code, which is flashing on the screen right now. So do that, and I'll see you guys soon. Take care of yourselves. Bye.